welcome to my channel. Okay, I ain't got a lot of time today and I'm super tired today, but I gotta get myself together because I'm looking like this. So let's go ahead and get right to this video. So I have a new wig for you guys from IDNhair, I Define Natural. So this is my second time working with them. They sent me this to review for you guys or just show you guys their wig. So in the box, you get some goodies, hair clips, a little thank you card, and the new thin wig cap that I have freaking been loving and I see everyone is catching on to. So this is their unit, you guys. Okay, first of all, let's talk about these curls because I've never seen anything curled like this before, which I think is so cute. So I'm very curious about the outcome. So this unit, you guys, has already been pre-plucked. The hairline looks freaking amazing. The knots have already been bleached, but what's different about this cap construction, which I think is new, you guys, I haven't seen this before, y'all. It is a 13x6, but it's a 3D unit. It's basically a curved lace placement, giving you full side parting and of course middle parting, and it's supposed to really fit your head so much better. You get way more lace. So this is a game changer, y'all, right off the bat. And I'm not just saying that just to, you know, just say it, but this is gonna be really good for people who like to do different styles, who wanna have the options to do different styles. So yeah, so I'm excited to pop this on and see how fast, honestly, I can put it on and how easy it goes. All right, I gotta stop blabbing, but I will put all the information on this unit down below like I always do. Let's go ahead and get into popping this on. Let's get to the tutorial part of this video. All right, you guys, so first things first, I'm just popping on my wig cap. I'm gonna add a little bit of powder. Well, not a lot, a little bit. I added quite a lot of powder to my wig cap just to tint it, color match it, all that great stuff. I really do hope they make these in like skin tone colors. The wig fit perfectly, you guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do my normal meltdown routine using my TG hairspray. This is a perfect wig to do like half like semi glueless. So if you just want to put a little hairspray on your sideburns to have at least that security, and then that will keep the rest of the wig nice and flush. I think this is perfect because the lace is crystal clear, it's super thin, and yeah, it just didn't need all of that work. But because I was going to be out and about, I went on ahead and melted this lace through and through. And after I'm done doing my hairline, I'm just going to pop my elastic strap on for a little bit and then proceed with laying my baby hair. So real quick, you guys, I just gotta come over here and say the wig fit perfectly on my head. It feels so good. It's not too loose, it's not too tight. This is definitely big head friendly, and it feels really flat. So I'm gonna give it to them, y'all. I like to give companies, people, things, products, whatever. I like to give props what props is due. So I'm gonna let this band sit for about 5 minutes, let the lace get really melted into my skin. Then I'm gonna lay some edges and I'm gonna kind of like loosely pull the curls out. I don't even know what kind of product I'm gonna add. I may just lightly do some mousse or something. Yeah, we'll see. Anyways, you guys, let's keep going. So because they did such a good job with plucking this wig, you guys, y'all don't have to lay edges if you don't want to, don't have time for it. It looks natural just the way it is, but you know, it's just personal preference. For me, I feel naked whenever I don't have my edges laid, so that's what I'm doing. And I'm just going to use my Design Essentials foam, my even edge brush, this yellow brush that's about to come up. And that's it. I have this little eyebrow razor that I use to take the hair off. And then I'm going to use my black strap, my like molding strap, and then just blow dry it down. And then we'll move on to styling this hair. So I'm just going to show you guys the amount of parting space you have. This literally goes like it goes back so far. You can get a really deep part with this. You definitely have more lace than like fabric, you know, than material with this particular wig. They were definitely right when it says you have more options. So as far as styling this unit, I'm just going to go in and just separate the curls. I really just wanted to see how the curls came out without being brushed this first go around, and they came out really cute, you guys. Like, you still get that kind of spiral look. I'm adding a little bit of mousse to the ones that kind of frizzed up a bit and just kind of making sure I define them a little bit more. I wish I would have time myself, but styling this unit, like from the install, the complete install for this unit took me no time. And really, that's what I look for. That's how you know you have a really good wig, when you can really just take it out the box if you don't have time to wash and all that kind of stuff, and it's already done for you. So I love units like this. It's pre-plucked like nobody's business. The hairline is great. The knots are bleached. The hair is good. There's literally no additional work needed. So I'm just gonna finish doing this, and then I'll show you guys the final look and give you guys my final thoughts. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. I love the outcome of it. I think the curls, or the ringlets, whatever you want to call them, because they're more like ringlets. Isn't there a difference between curls and like ringlets? Or are ringlets curls anyway? I think the curl pattern on here is really pretty, you guys. It's a little different. So I didn't want to undo all of the curls, but at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you guys how this unit looks washed and actually detangle the hair. You can actually see the curl pattern versus it just being like this. I didn't use any heat with this look either, just using some foam, and of course I used a little bit of the edge fixer as well. I started to use my hot comb, but it wasn't necessary to use that with this wig. Typically with a hot comb, you have to use it to get your unit like super flat. And I felt like this unit was flat. Like, it just wasn't necessary to add my hot comb, wax stick, all that kind of stuff at this point. Maybe when the curls come undone and the hair is a little bit bigger, it could be necessary then, but for now, I skipped it. Other than that, you guys, I like this unit. I really do. You don't have to do anything with this wig. And sometimes you just need those kind of units. Maybe one or two in your stash where it's already pre-plucked, it's already bleached, already this, that, and the other, and it's like your go-to never fail unit. I would probably absolutely wear the heck out of this unit if it was in just like a straight texture, 20 inches or maybe a little longer, who knows, but I'd probably wear the heck out of that. Anyways, you guys, I gotta get going. I will put all the information on this unit down below in the description box like always. Let me know if you guys have any questions, comments, all that great stuff, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.